Frizzy hair. We've all been there, right? You spend ages styling, then boom, poof, flyaways everywhere. But here's the thing. You don't have to live with the fuzz. Today, I'm sharing my top secrets for taming frizzy hair and getting that flawlessly smooth finish. First, let's talk shampoo. Overwashing is a big no-no. I stick to washing my hair 2 to 3 times a week, always using a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo loaded with goodies like glycerin, coconut oil, or shea butter. Oh, and a cool rinse at the end? Game changer for sealing the cuticle. Deep conditioning is my weekly ritual. A mask packed with argan oil or keratin dives deep, smooths the cuticle, and keeps the frizz at bay. But here's a trick not enough people use. Dry your hair with a soft t-shirt or microfiber towel. Regular towels are way too rough. They just create more frizz. I never skip leave-in conditioner. When my hair's damp, that's my first line of defense. Aloe vera, coconut oil, vitamin E, look for those on the label. They detangle, lock in moisture, and give instant smoothness. For styling, I keep my blow dryer on low with a diffuser, and I don't touch my hair after I'm done. Seriously, hands off. The oils and friction from your fingers can spark frizz in seconds. At night, I sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. Less friction, more moisture. And if you've got curls or waves, try a silk bonnet or loose braid to wake up frizz-free. Remember, frizz isn't the enemy, neglect is. Treat your hair gently, feed it moisture, and protect it from heat and humidity. In just a few weeks, you'll see smoother, healthier hair, no salon needed. So, say goodbye to frizz, and hello to your most flawless hair days ever.